This is the force vibrating sorting ball here. So this is fourth press part. So when the material sorting continue feeding from here, continue to feeding, and when sensor detect here, the fourth part in position, and this cylinder will work as same as the previous rubber hand. So see, pick up, down, pick up, forward, and press on the top of the motor. Yeah, I think the beautiful picture here. You can see the complete part here. So after all the parts is put together, and the ultrasonic sealing machine will stop from this is the second ultrasonic sealing head from here. Ultrasonic side is exactly the same from the previous one. So there is two ultrasonic sealing machine. So I'm going to show you the same touch screen, air compression control, adjust button, and print meter. So they also have an adjusting wheel. So when all the press parts put together, and we will go to the second ultrasonic sealing machine head here. So when this in position, this head will bend down and seal the part together. This is the last part of the machine. It will seal the third part and fourth part together. So like this. After the sealing will be put forward to the latch station. You can see here, it will have the last press down signature from here. This signature will push down and make it seal together more strong, seal strongly. So there's a whole. So after the sealing, after this part, after this position, we move forward. I'm showing to the latch part. It's also a very important part. And there is a link testing machine here, air link. So it's 4 motors testing at once. Here you can see the push down and then move forward. There's also four motors in one part. So this head will pick up. This head will pick up the motor one by one to put place on the 4 motor of the 4 motor of conveyor. It's similar. You can see. So you can see here. So this one pick up the motor, the completed motor, already sealed and assembling well, and placed one by one on this small hole. And when they place 4 in position, foot of 4, and this part will move forward. We'll push down and then move to this station. This station is very important. Why is it important? Because this is a air linking testing machine. Air linking, 4 motors at one time. So testing the sealing result, whether it has air linking or so. If it air linking, we will have the shock. Will be rejected by this hand here. So after the link testing station here, and then the mold will move forward to the here, and the rubber hand will pick up and discharge, move forward to the conveyor. So it will from here pick up and discharge, first place on the conveyor, then the whole process is finished. See the whole machine. So link testing, we have link testing here. This is the whole machine. I hope you understand it easily. And I'm going to show you the electronic control box. See very PLC. Because there are so many stations, we have to use lots of PLC system here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 part of the PLC. So you can see how complicated this machine it is. And see all the details here, all the cables, wiring, and powder frequency here. Yeah. So you can see the programming position here, and we use USB to connect to the computer laptop to programming the whole system. More details. Air valve over here, many air valve, frequency, motor control, frequency, all the machine fan. It's a top Panasonic brand, big brand, so you can make the machine more stable. Power cable, wiring, electronic part. This is the motor, so let's check it. Let's check the final products. Let me pick up one final product. Its board is adjustable. You see? Very nice machine. Only our factory can manufacture such customized build machine. If you have any inquiries and questions, please feel free to contact me anytime. I would like to answer. So, details, motor, sample, PLC. So, that's all. Let me know if you have any questions. I would like to answer, or email me, or WhatsApp me. Welcome to contact us. That's all. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Thank you very much.